Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening your VN project and finding the magic circle asset. Once found, immediately duplicate it for safety. You want a working copy named with a version number so you can revert. Next, import that copy into your image editor or animation tool and confirm the canvas matches the game resolution. Make sure layers are preserved, line art, glow, and mask layers separated, because you will edit each layer independently to control effects and blending later. Now you focus on the detailed work. Break the circle into distinct layers and plan frame-by-frame changes. Use keyframes across 12 to 24 frames per second. Once done, apply easing to rune rotation and glow intensity so motion feels natural. Make color and blend decisions next. Use additive or color dodge on the glow layer and a Luma mask to reveal runes gradually. If you need particles, animate them on a separate layer and adjust opacity curves so everything reads clearly in-game. Finish by exporting in the format your VN engine expects, PNG sequence or Atlas, with alpha preserved and compression balanced for performance. Then import and hook the animation to the appropriate trigger, set Z-order, and play it at normal and slowed speeds to confirm timing. If you spot edges, halos, or wrong colors, make sure premultiplied versus straight alpha matches engine settings and re-export. If playback is choppy, reduce frame count or texture size to meet memory limits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.